2 willing hands, and on my channel it's strictly about teaching other women how to have willing hands just like I do. And in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to do the front post and back post stitch. Absolutely beautiful. This stitch can be used to make cuffs of a jumper, rims of hats, also scarves. This stitch is amazing. It acts as if it's, insulation. If you make a scarf with this stitch, trust me, your neck is going to be super warm. You might want to take the scarf off, but this is a really beautiful stitch. And let's not waste any time, let's get straight into this tutorial. I use a 4mm hook for this one, and I use Rico Essential, I think this is called grass green, Rico Essentials cotton double knit yarn from lovecraft.com. Feel free to get one. It's absolutely beautiful. I love this one. So let's get straight onto the tutorial. So start off with a slip knot. I'm going to do 20 chains. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 20, and then I'm going to add 3 more, 1, 2, 3, to create the height of a double crochet. Into the 4th chain I'm going to do a double crochet, so yarn over, insert. Oh boy, did I do this too tight now? Alright, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull for 2, yarn over, pull for 2, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So repeat that all the way to the end of your row. That's the first row, chain 3, yarn over, behind the second double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Behind the next and third double crochet, you go right behind it, in front of it, and then behind. Yarn over, pull through, all the way through. Yeah, that happens sometimes, don't worry about it. Just take it out, insert, put it all the way to the back. This is the back post, bring it up, yarn over, pull for 2, yarn over, pull for 2. Now we're going to do a front post. So I yarn over, I went behind the next double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to do a back post. So right behind, in front, behind, yarn over, pull through, right through, A, behind, go through, pull right through. Make sure you have a good grip. Yarn over, pull for 2, yarn over, pull for 2. That is how you do front post and back post. Okay? Right behind. And like I mentioned, this is very nice on scarves, hats. So if you create a hat and on the rim you could do this type of stitch, it's really nice, especially on a scarf, as it acts as an insulation, like it keeps in the heat. That's why I like this stitch a lot. It's very warm. Another thing you can do with this stitch, right, you can actually, when you make a market bag, you can do this stitch on the base of your bag, and from what I find, it makes the base more stronger. So I like doing the back post and front post stitch for the base of my bags. Just thought I'd give out a little tip. So front post, back post, front, yarn over back, front, and make sure you yarn over every time. Yarn over, back, post, and all the way through, and over, pull for 2, front post. And then in the last stitch, you just go on top of that stitch and do a double crochet. Okay? So I'm going to do a few more rows and we shall see how it looks at the end. Okay? I have done a bit more rows, but I just want to make sure you all understand when to do a front post and when to do a back post. So the bits that are rigid right at the front, that is your front post. The bits at the back, that's your back post, okay? Just want to make sure that you understand, and make sure you always start off with 3 chains, okay? Okay, so I have completed the rest of the rows. Now, oh, I just love this stitch. I love it. I love front post and back post. It's so beautiful. Look at that. Okay. If you have any questions about this stitch, I understand it's a tricky one. Feel free to leave a comment down below, and I shall get back to you. You see that? And it's very cushiony, so I love this stitch. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for sticking it out until the end. And if you liked this tutorial, as per usual, feel free to give it a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. Share with your friends and your family. And until next time, bye for now.